Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Endah Santi Deariska. In this opportunity, I will discuss a little about COVID-19. As well as we know, COVID-19 is currently becoming the biggest enemy in the world. Many countries have to lock down to tackle COVID-19. There are many impacts resulting from this lockdown, as I will discuss later regarding the COVID-19 lockdown effect to alcohol consumption. From this subject, I have divided into 5 subchapters. The first is pandemic COVID-19. The second is COVID-19 lockdown. The third is effect lockdown. And the fourth is effect lockdown to alcohol consumption. For the last is conclusion and recommendation. The first discussion is pandemic COVID-19. A pandemic is an epidemic that has spread to various continents and countries, generally affecting many people. Meanwhile, epidemic is a term that has been used to describe a sudden increase in the number of cases to disease in a population of a certain area. And the reason is the term pandemic is not used to indicate the high level of disease, but only shows the level of its spread. It should be noted, in the case of COVID-19 pandemic, this is the first and it caused by the coronavirus that has excited science last year. And for the second is COVID-19 lockdown. Lockdown is term to use for development control. To result of this COVID-19 is the imposition of a lockdown to reduce the spread of the COVID-19 virus. And lockdown is carried out with communities in areas are under lockdown can no longer leave their homes and gather. All transportation and office, school and worship activities will be disabled. However, the definition of lockdown is still unclear and has not been agreed on global. Implementing lockdown in each country or region has different methods or protocol. For the third is effect lockdown. I divide in this subchapter into 2. There are positive impact and negative impact. And for positive impact, there are any 5. For the first is almost everyone participate in distancing. The second, not many trips were made. The third, air quality is improving. The fourth, increase in credit application. For the 5, increasing demand for perishable food. For negative impact from lockdown, it can create physical. For negative impact from lockdown, it can create physiological stress and increase alcohol consumption. This is what we will discuss. The use of alcohol during the lockdown period. For the fourth is effect lockdown to alcohol consumption. One in 4 adults report a change in alcohol use almost immediately after stay-at-home orders were issued. According to a study of twins led by Washington State University research, they published that surveyed more than 900 twins pair from the Washington State Twin Registry from March 26 to April 5th, 2020. Just after stay-at-home orders were issued in Washington on March 23rd, an estimate 14% of survey respondents said they drank more alcohol than the week period and report higher levels of stress and anxiety than those who did not drink alcohol, and those who stayed the same. For the last is conclusion and recommendation. From the above description, we can conclude that 1 in 4 adults reported a change in alcohol use almost immediately after stay-at-home were issued. 14% reported drinking more alcohol and reported higher levels of stress and anxiety than those who did not drink and those who stayed the same. And 11% who decreased their drinking also had higher level of stress and anxiety, suggesting that any change in alcohol use may be associated with mental health issue. And I suggest that in dealing with this pandemic, we must take care our health. In facing the lockdown, we should not take our stress out by drinking more alcohol, because it can interfere with our health. By consuming alcohol will not solve our problems. It will only worsen our health. And for facing this pandemic, we must use masks and doing doing social distancing. And then we must eat nutrition food and doing exercise that will make our body's immune system strong, so we don't get sick easily. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope what I explained can add our insight. Thank you for your attention and bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.